Hi, my dear friend. Well, today is an exciting day at Positive Christianity. We're launching today the Encyclopedia of Prayer. Now, it's not complete. It will never be complete. That's the whole idea. We will add more prayers every week, different sections, so that it helps you more. This is a very unique site because it has no copyright. Our copyright is that you have the right to copy. That's true of any positive daily inspiration. We figure it's all from God anyway, and therefore it would be wrong for us to put a copyright on it. Now, we do ask that no one profits from this. We don't want someone to just take all of our material and then publish it in a book and make a fortune. No, we want this to be for the good of all. This is material that is easy to copy. Just to hold the mouse, clicking on the left button, scroll over the text, then click on the right side of the button to copy that text. Then you can paste it in Microsoft Word or another blank document and copy and print from there as many as you would like. So you can fold it and take it with you. The Encyclopedia of Prayer will have so many prayers that no matter what you're facing in your life, whether it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 a.m. in the morning, you can find a prayer to pray, and that will help you at your point of need immediately. And that's the whole idea. Now, let me talk about the project here. The project has been extensive. Here you can see our manual on our prayers, and this is just at launch that we have. And let me talk about the lady that has been instrumental in helping us do this. It is our book editor. You've heard me talk about her before, Barbara Bergen of Spring Hill, Florida. She is a remarkable, tireless individual that works and continues to work now on the projects. So we have this prayer up for you. This section of our homepage that will say the Encyclopedia of Prayer. You can click on any of the different prayer areas. Now, one prayer will come up when you click on that. But look for the next button. Click on the next button, you'll see another prayer. And next again, another prayer, and so on. It will, in time, be endless. Some of the sections are still under development. But what we pray is that it will be developed fully, that we will place the prayers in there that will be exactly what you need at a given time. I remember one time I bought a huge home in Rockford, Illinois. And after I bought the home and moved in the home, I realized I didn't have any furniture for the home. Oh, we had a chair or two, but that didn't fill that home. But the important thing is we had the home. We had the void, and nature abhors a void. So when you have a void, you'll find things to fill that void. And so right now, some of the sections are a void, but we are harvesting quickly. And what I mean by harvesting is we have 14 years that we have been on the internet daily. That's a massive amount of material. It is like Tolstoy's work in volume. If you see it stacked, it is an encyclopedia alone. Much of that is prayer. And so we are harvesting, we're writing new, we're working to help you more. And that is the whole point. Beyond, though, anything that we have written, we pray that in between the words of the prayers that you read and pray with, in between those words, God will touch you. that there will be something more powerful than just the written word on the page. There will be the presence, the power of God. You'll feel it, and it will transform you. It will give you a spiritual experience. So I invite you today to try it, and then come back often. You'll always see something new, and I pray something that will help you in profound ways. Or someone you know. Feel free to send our prayers to anyone. I pray that they'll never offend, because they're non-denominational. We have no agenda. We encourage you to go to the church of your choice. We are here to supplement